Hello everybody. This is kind of a prepper pantry meal. We are doing some fresh caught fish, some Bear Creek macaroni and cheese, and I have a couple of zucchini that I just cubed up, little olive oil, salt and pepper. So whatever vegetable you want. And if you catch your own fish. So we have 3.5 cups of water we're going to bring to a boil, and then we will add that. We have our fish ready, and I used this. And it takes 1 cup of this and 2/3 of a cup of water, and that's all you need. It has seasoning, everything is in there, and it puffs up nice on your fish. Might want to have those things in your pantry so you don't use up your flour. I have a big container of fish fry and chicken fry. So I've got my oil getting hot. I have my fish on paper towels to absorb the moisture. Move you back so you can kind of see. It's feeling hot. So all we are going to do is dip our fish. You don't want it too thick on there because stuff works pretty good. You can also use club soda or beer and some flour that you season up and make a batter. You just add beer or club soda until it's this consistency, like pancake batter. And we're just going to do that. Wait for our water to boil. I don't want a majorly thick coating, plus I want to stretch this for all the fish. I know, I'm slow. Letting that drip off. So that's all I'm going to do, and then set up a draining rack for when I take it out. And just fry it until it's golden brown. Flip them over. It's as easy as that. You don't want to overfill your pan, so fry your fish until you're done. And when this comes to a boil, I will just add that bag of macaroni and cheese. I haven't tried that yet, so I have a case of it, so I wanted to try one. And my zucchinis were roasting away at 400 degrees. little olive oil, salt and pepper. Easy peasy. So I'll be back when I'm getting along with something. Okay, our water is boiling. So we just stir this in, reduce heat to a medium boil, and cook uncovered 12 to 13 minutes. Then you let it sit for 3 to 8 minutes, or 5 to 8 minutes. Probably would help if I put on glasses. Girls, I'm cooking. Stop it. I like a lot of the Bear Creek soups. I think their broccoli and cheese is really good. Their potato and cheese is really good. Their split pea is really good. The broth-based ones, I don't know, taste a little too artificial. But, I mean, if you were hungry. Let's see. That can still fry a little more for a minute. So I'll be back as we make progress. Okay, it's all done. There's our fish and our macaroni. Stir that up. And he's going to want black pepper. That's just him talking to the dogs. Don't pay any mind. Okay, here's our glorious fish. I don't know how much he's going to want. And then I'll get our zucchini. Excuse me, Tippy. Old man. That's the zucchini. There we go, guys, with a side of tartar sauce. So yeah, pretty much a pantry meal. Use what you have, cook it, don't lose it, use it, don't lose it, all that stuff. Rotate your pantry, and yeah, fresh caught fish, macaroni and cheese, zucchini. You either grew it, bought it, have it in the freezer, whatever. So like, comment, subscribe. It was my birthday Tuesday, so I took some time, spent it with my husband, and tomorrow I'm gonna do the hot and sour soup. And I made a boo-boo purchase, so I got some unexpected canning to do. If you want to see how to recan hominy, let me know and I'll do a video on that. So yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Thumbs up really help the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.